Hey, what's up everyone? This is AI Origin. In our first tutorial, lesson 1 is we created a basic chat. We're chatting to the models and this is the code here. And now we're going to update or upgrade our our code that we're going to add history. So why is the history so important? I'll show you here. In the lesson 1, we created a chat, for example, hello, and then the AI responds, then my dog name is Lupin. Then from that, if you say your dog name is Lupin, then if you say what is my dog name, and the AI didn't know what is your dog name, right? Because there's no chat history. So now in the next lesson, we're going to add a chat history. First thing is basic is we're initialize the list here, chat history list. Then we have an input here. Then we add the user input to the chat history, and this is the format, role, user, and content. What is the content? A user input. The next one is we're going to add the chat history to the system prompt, right? To the system prompt. This is the system prompt. You are the helpful assistant, so we add that one in the role, system, content, messages. Then after that one, in the response Ollama, we're talking to the Ollama, we added that one, the messages here in the messages prompt. Then after that, the AI response, we append that one in the chat history also. That's a basic one. Then I'll show you why that one is so important. Let's run this one. All right, let's say hi. Hi there, it's a great to meet you. Then my dog name is Lupin. All right, then as you can see, oh, what's a Lupin like? Okay, that's a unique, lovely name. Do you know my dog name? Or let's ask this one, what is my dog name? I remember your dog name is Lupin, right? As you can see down now, it remember because from the history we add our conversation to the history. All right, let's add more here, like for example my YouTube channel username is AI Origin. Then we're going to ask the AI, what is my YouTube username and dog name, and the AI will respond 100% that it says your your YouTube channel is Origin and your name is yeah, it didn't say Lupin. Answer that. I didn't see the background. I mean, all right. So that's the important of a chat history. There's a lot of way you can add history here, but this is the easiest and fastest way you can become a stateless, becomes was that stateless and become stateful or something in the chat. It remember your conversation. So next thing in our next lesson is we're going to upgrade our project more complicated and more advanced. For now, this is our lesson, and once again, thank you for watching. This is AI Origin, and bye for now.